Ready to hit the open road with your crew? Hold on! Discover the 5 downsides of group rides nobody talks about. Today we're talking about a topic that many of you might have mixed feelings about. Group rides. While riding with friends can be a lot of fun, group rides come with their own set of challenges and downsides. Let's get into the realities of group riding that you might not have considered. First up, let's talk about the coordination and planning required for group rides. Getting a group of riders together means aligning everyone's schedules, which can be tricky on its own. Then you have to decide on a meeting point and plan the route. It can be hard to find a time that works for everyone. People have different work schedules, family commitments and personal plans. You might end up spending more time trying to coordinate than actually riding. Deciding on a convenient meeting point and making sure everyone arrives on time can be stressful. There's always someone running late or someone who can't find the meeting spot. Agreeing on a route that everyone likes can be challenging. Some riders may prefer a scenic route with lots of stops, while others might enjoy a more direct path with minimal interruptions. But planning a route can be very easy. Just sign up for the monthly Only Bikers newsletter and receive new routes every month. This way, planning a route with your friends will never be a problem again. Next, let's consider downside number 2, the varying skill levels within a group. In a group ride, you'll likely have riders with different levels of experience and confidence. Experienced riders might want to go faster, while beginners might need to take it slower. This can lead to frustration for both groups, with faster riders feeling held back and slower riders feeling pressured to keep up. Less experienced riders might struggle to keep up or make risky maneuvers just to stay with the group, increasing the risk of accidents. It's important to consider the skill levels when planning the route and the pace. Navigating tricky terrains or challenging routes can highlight skill gaps, making some riders feel uncomfortable or left out. It's important to plan routes that everybody can handle. Another downside can be the group dynamics, and peer pressure can also impact the enjoyment of a group ride. Riders might feel pressured to ride faster or to take more risk to keep up with the group. Feeling the need to keep up with more experienced riders can lead to dangerous riding behavior. Some riders might push themselves beyond their comfort zone just to avoid being left behind. Decisions might be made based on what the majority wants, which can leave some riders feeling unheard or uncomfortable. If one rider wants to take a break or change the route, they might feel pressured to go along with the group instead. And disagreement about the route, pace or stops can create tension within the group. It's important to communicate openly and make sure everyone's voice is heard. Our fourth downside is the risk of accidents. Unfortunately, group rides can increase this risk. Riding in close proximity to others requires a high level of awareness and coordination. Riding close together means that if one rider makes a mistake, it can quickly escalate into a multi-bike accident. Keeping a safe distance and being aware of the riders around you is crucial. Group rides can make it harder for other road users to see each individual rider, increasing the risk of collisions. As a solution, you could consider wearing bright clothing to improve visibility. Miscommunication or lack of communication can lead to sudden stops or changes in direction, causing accidents. Using hand signals and agreeing on signals beforehand can help prevent misunderstandings. Lastly, let's discuss the logistical challenges and potential for breakdowns. Managing a group ride means dealing with a range of potential mechanical issues. If one bike breaks down, the entire group might need to stop and assist. This can turn a short ride into a long day of troubleshooting. Coordinating fuel stops can be tricky, especially if different bikes have different fuel ranges. Some riders might need to refuel more often, causing frequent stops. Agreeing on when and where to stop for food or for rest breaks can be challenging. Different riders might have different preferences and needs, making it harder to find a consensus. Ever tried to organize a group ride and felt like you were herding cats? Yeah, it can be just as chaotic as it sounds. While group rides can be fun and rewarding, it's important to be aware of these downsides and plan accordingly to ensure everyone has a safe and enjoyable experience. So that's that, folks. Group rides come with their own set of challenges, from coordination and planning to managing different skill levels and group dynamics. What's your experience with group rides? Do you love them or prefer riding solo? Share your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more videos like this.